Okay, here we are today on the 25th of September. The occasion is Vanessa Workman's birthday. It's the big birthday. And here's her shark.
We appreciate Vanessa. She did a boat club on the mural that is on the public boat launch. Thank you, Vanessa.
Yes. And
I think we both wanted to be close to you on what is your special day as you start the next half century. A wonderful time awaits you in the future. We all miss you every day when we're down here. And know that you're in many, many people's hearts, Vanessa. You're never going to be alone because we all love you so much.
Come back.
Be with us. Be with us.
Come back. So do you want to tell me a little bit about the mural? Who made what? Or
oh, I couldn't remember every little thing, but this mural was put together by a whole, I don't know, 40 members of the Baby Boat Club, and everybody did their little part, and all these little creatures were put together on the table, and Vanessa installed them on the wall and composed the whole picture and did most of the work of putting all the stuff in the middle and all the background and all the heavy lifting. Vanessa did it. She really pulled this thing together for us. We appreciate it so much.
It's very beautiful, and it's almost 5 years later to the day, actually, since it was unveiled.
I did.
You did? It's cute. I like the tugboat.
Vanessa put the birds in the sky. Oh, look at these spider webs.
There are. So, where is Pegwing Pete? Oh, he's going to be, the tide is too high, right?
Well, let's keep the shoes off.
I could do that for her. I'll do that for her once, and she's 50. We'll go in. Ooh, let's go! Ow!
Oh, that is slippery.
Ow! Who did the mermaid?
It's really, really slippery here.
Who did the mermaid? You did? Oh, it's fabulous.
It's really slippery. I think we should get next to the edge.
Okay. All right.
Right, I'm going.
All right, bye then.
Bye.
Ow!
Happy.
Woo! Thank you for your contribution.
Okay, later on. Take care.
No,
there he is. Oh, where is he?
where?
You have to step back.
I do. Pegwing.
Pete.
Oh, okay. By the Greyhound.
No, here he is.
I was gonna say I don't see a bird.
all dirty
Oh,
back
okay.
here.
Oh, he's dirty for sure.
Oh, it's dirty.
Gotta wipe those. Gotta hose this down. Give it the attention it deserves.
Pegwing Pete.
Oh, Pegwing.
Pegwing.
I bet that Pegwing. I know I always say it wrong. I think I just heard him cawing. Didn't you?
You heard Pegwing Pete calling for Vanessa?
Yes, I think he did.
He is. He's
I
always
swear
looking
to God.
for Vanessa.
I think he's here.
Vanessa!
He knows we're talking about her.
He sees anybody over here and he knows that Vanessa must be nearby.
Right. That must be it. So, let's see.
Very careful.
Okay, I want to see. I want to see Arian's scuba diver. Is a scuba diver somewhere?
Scuba diver. Is this Arian's scuba diver? No. That was the yellow
I
submarine.
love the seahorse. Yeah, it is the yellow submarine. I like the seahorse a
Oh,
lot.
here's the scuba diver.
He's gonna get eaten by the shark. Ah!
Yikes! Oh, it's great. Where's the Embarcadero Rowing Club contribution? Ah,
And
there
the
we
whale
are.
tail.
And the whale tail. They did that segment. Those two. Okay. Very nice. Oh,
I
sweet.
forget her name, but she owned this little
Oh,
tugboat.
yeah, that's nice. Very
Isn't that
subtle.
very sweet?
Very sweet. Will you videotape me